In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup to manage employees and freelancers. We'll set up a proven workspace structure using a ready-made template, then walk through the key views that keep your team aligned and accountable. Start by opening the overview of the space where you want to manage your team. This is your control room for that space. From here, open the menu by clicking the three dots next to the space name. In the menu, choose Templates. This is where Clickup stores pre-built setups so you don't have to create everything from scratch. Select Apply a Template. In the search bar, type Team Management. You'll see a template called Team Management Plan. This template includes lists, docs, and views designed to run meetings, track status, and coordinate departments. Click Use Template to begin applying it to your space. You'll be prompted to name it. Give it a clear, consistent name, like your company or department plus Team Management Plan, so everyone knows what it's for. Good naming makes it easy to scale later. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will import the structure, which may take a moment. When it's done, you'll notice new docs and views appear inside your space. Open the Getting Started guide first. This document lays out how the template is organized and how to use it with employees and freelancers. Skim it to understand how agendas, statuses, and departments connect. If you're onboarding others, you can keep this guide pinned so it's easy to find. Next, open the agenda. Use this as your running meeting agenda and action log. Capture talking points, decisions, and follow-ups here so tasks and outcomes live in one place. Encourage team members to add topics ahead of time, which keeps meetings focused and short. Then check out agenda by department. This view helps you zero in on what matters for each group, whether that's marketing, sales, or operations. It's especially helpful when you have freelancers who only need to see and update items relevant to their function. Move to status by department to review progress at a glance. This gives you a health check on what's on track, what's at risk, and where blockers might be forming, separated by team. Finally, open board. This Kanban-style view lets you drag and drop work through stages, which is intuitive for both full-time staff and contractors. Keep status names simple, use clear assignees and due dates, and review the board in stand-ups. With this setup, you'll have a repeatable, transparent system to manage employees